How much should you actually spend on an automatic litter box? Because some people are happy buying the cheap ones, but others are frustrated by the pricey models that don't deliver. It's a bit confusing, but let's break it down.
Product number 1, Mintakawa Automatic Cat Litter Box. The Mintakawa Automatic Cat Litter Box caught my eye right away with its sleek white design and promise of ultra-quiet operation. Priced at $149.99, it's positioned as a mid-range option. If you want convenience and control over your cat's litter habits, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This litter box is designed for small to medium cats, accommodating pets weighing between 3.5 to 15 pounds. The low noise performance, operating at just 35 decibels, ensures it won't disturb your daily life or your pet's relaxation. Plus, the app connectivity via 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi allows you to monitor your cat's weight and visit duration in real time. This genuinely surprised me, as it gives you insights into your cat's health that you wouldn't otherwise track. Now, some people complained about the assembly taking some time, about 30 minutes. Here's the thing though, if you can follow a simple manual or watch a quick setup video, it's not a deal breaker, especially given the quality and features you're getting. This is perfect for you if you have a medium-sized cat and want a quiet, easily monitored option. Skip this one if you're looking for something that's ready to use right out of the box. For the price, it offers solid value for anyone looking to automate their cat care routine. Now, if the assembly issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Ellenpent Open Top Automatic Litter Box. The Ellenpent Open Top Automatic Litter Box stands out with its innovative design and advanced features. Priced at $199.99, it's a bit on the higher side, but let's see what justifies that cost. If you want zero hassle with litter maintenance and excellent odor control, keep listening. This litter box eliminates the need for daily scooping with its self-cleaning feature. After your cat exits, it automatically cycles to separate waste and seals it in a compartment that can hold up to 10 days of waste for one cat. That's a huge relief for anyone tired of constant litter maintenance. The dual defense odor control system is also impressive. It traps smells at the source, making your home feel fresher. Now, a few users mentioned that the open top design could lead to some litter tracking outside the box. Here's my take on that. If your cat is a digger, you might want to take extra precautions with mats. But honestly, the comfort and visibility this design offers might outweigh that minor issue for many. This is perfect for you if you want a litter box that requires minimal effort and is especially good for large cats who feel more secure with an open top. Skip this one if you have a cat that tends to scatter litter everywhere. The value it provides in convenience is worth the price. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who have multiple cats. Product number 3, Ellenpent Large Automatic Litter Box. Another from Ellenpent, the Large Automatic Litter Box, which is perfect for multiple cats. With a price tag of $219.99, it's definitely an investment, but let's see if it's worth it. If you're tired of scooping for multiple felines, keep this one in mind. This model boasts a massive 90-liter capacity and activates 2 minutes after your cat exits, separating waste and depositing it into a trash bin. It allows for up to 10 days of use without any maintenance, which is a dream for busy cat parents. Plus, it features an odor-proof cover and a scented gel that keeps your home smelling fresh. That's a must-have for anyone with more than one cat. However, a downside is that some users found the app connectivity a bit finicky. Here's the thing though, once it's set up, the insights into your pet's health patterns are incredibly useful and could make the initial hassle worth it. This is perfect for you if you have multiple cats and want a high-capacity, low-maintenance solution. Skip this one if you're only caring for one cat. The size might be overkill. Overall, it's a solid investment for the right scenario. Now, if you're looking for a more straightforward design, let's check out the next option. Product number 4, UPFS Automatic Cat Litter Box. The UPFS Automatic Cat Litter Box offers another solid choice at $149.99 with its appealing design and impressive features. If you want something that's both user-friendly and effective, this is worth considering. This box is also designed for medium-sized cats and kittens. It operates quietly, which is great if you have a sensitive pet or live in a small space. The smart app integration lets you monitor your cat's health in real time while also tracking their litter habits. Honestly, that's a feature I didn't expect and found super useful for keeping tabs on my cat's wellness.
Product number 5,
Pet-Safe Scoop-Free Crystal Pro. At $199.99, it brings a different approach with its unique crystal litter tray system. If you're looking for the ultimate in hassle-free litter box care, this might just be your best bet. This model automatically removes waste for weeks at a time, which is perfect if you don't want to deal with daily maintenance. The crystal litter absorbs odor and dehydrates waste, keeping smells in check without any added work on your part. Plus, the low-tracking crystals help prevent messy floors, which is a bonus for any cat owner. But it's worth mentioning that this litter box is specifically designed for use with crystal litter only. Some owners found that limiting. Here's the thing though, if you're okay with that, the convenience it offers might outweigh the restriction. This is perfect for you if you want a set-it-and-forget-it solution for your litter box needs. Skip this one if you prefer using traditional clumping litter. It won't work for you. Overall, it's a valuable option for those seeking maximum convenience.
So, to wrap it up, we have the Mintakawa and UPFS models that both cater to medium-sized cats with quiet options. The Ellen Pet models are fantastic for larger cats or multi-cat households, while PetSafe offers a unique crystal litter solution for those who want ultimate convenience. It really comes down to your specific needs and preferences. Whichever you choose, you're definitely investing in a cleaner home and happier kitty.